The Instapage team is happy to announce the launch of the new carousel feature. With this update, marketers can add a web carousel to their landing pages in seconds, no coding required. The web carousel feature gives marketers plenty of flexibility in what to display on their landing pages. Marketers use carousels to create engaging testimonial blocks, product showcases, image presentations, and so on. For instance, this BlendJet landing page uses a carousel to showcase how customers use the portable blender, whereas Purdy and Fig uses a carousel to feature lifestyle and product images of its non-toxic cleaners. Here are some of the best practices to keep in mind when adding a carousel to your landing page. Use high-quality images. Make sure your images are sharp and visually attractive. Make navigation obvious. Make sure there's an easy way to scroll through your carousel, either with arrows or indicators that match the number of slides you have. If your carousel is auto-looping, ensure it is not playing too quickly or too slowly. Make it mobile-friendly. Your carousel should look the same whether viewed on a desktop, smartphone, or tablet. And finally, don't forget about descriptions. Include brief descriptions on each slide if you want to give your users context about what they're viewing and why it would matter to them. Carousels are a perfect choice if you're looking for a way to boost engagement on your landing page. They allow you to increase the number of visual elements on the page without using up too much space. To learn more, visit instapage.com.